Hi, my name is David Johnson. I'm with Plumber's Choice Water Treatment, Flowtech Home, and today we're going to be doing an install of a whole house water filter. This is our top of the line whole house catalytic carbon filter made by Flowtech. So what comes with the whole house water filter? Obviously you're going to get your whole filter. This is a 1.5 cube system, 1.5 cubic feet of carbon in it, has about 50 pounds of carbon. Also comes with a quick start guide and a manual. Quick start guides for easy installation. We also have a built-in bypass that comes with it, and you're going to have your nipples as well. Okay, it comes with standard with 1-inch brass nipples, snap rings for easy sweat application. So we're ready for install now. What you want to do is get the filter to the location where it's going to be installed. We're going to be installing it right here. What you want to do when you first get there is go ahead and unscrew the head. Take the head off. It does have a vortex plate, so that riser tube's not going to come out. You want to take the head off. It does have a lower basket on it. And you want to go ahead and fill this thing up about 75% full of water. We want to start saturating that carbon. It's very porous, has a lot of air in it, so we want to get rid of that air. So when we get to start up, it's going to start up much quicker. And now that we've filled up the filter about 75%, we're going to go ahead and shut off the water and start breaking apart the manifold here to go ahead and get the install going in. So we finished the install of the filter. We've got our cold water supply that comes from here with the ball valve, goes up into the back left-hand side of the unit. This is city water. We've got good clean water that's coming back out here, as you can see. It's feeding the hot water heater, and this is the cold water manifold, which is feeding the rest of the house. So all the water is going to be filtered inside this house, including the hose bibs. So here we have here is our 3/4 inch drain. I do recommend 3/4 inch versus 1/2 inch. It's going to be much quieter when it goes to discharge. So we've got the 3/4 inch PEX that comes down the wall here. There's a slight pitch to this pipe. It's about 1/4 inch per foot fall. We want that because if it ever freezes, water is going to continue to be able to flow out there. Once it hits atmosphere as well, we want 1/4 inch per foot fall so that we can make sure that if it freezes, water is still going to flow and it'll never stop it from regenerating. So now that we've got the system installed completely, we want to go ahead and do the startup on it. The unit does come with a quick start guide. What we're going to do is simply follow it. What you want to do is take the unit and plug it in. It's got to go into a 110 outlet. All you're going to do is essentially set the time on this. The system's already pre-programmed to regenerate every 3,000 gallons or 3 weeks, whatever comes first. The regenerate is a 3-minute cycle where it's going to backwash, then it's going to pause for 2 minutes, then it's going to backwash for 2 minutes after that 2-minute pause, and then it's going to pause for 1 minute, and then it's going to rinse for 1 minute. So it's a total of about 32 gallons every 3 weeks or 3,000 gallons, which is going to make it one of the most efficient filters out there. Once it says rinse, we have a 1-minute countdown. We need to make sure that we unplug this unit so that it continues to rinse. Essentially, we're tricking the system to continue to rinse for about 15-20 minutes until the water runs clear. So now that I've unplugged the unit, it's in rinse mode. The pistons move towards rinse. Simply going to go ahead and turn on the inlet to the filter. Okay, you want to open it up real slow until it completely fills, until you start to hit drain. Once it starts to hit drain, then go ahead and open it fully, making sure that the water going into the house in this bypass is still on bypass. We don't want any of this water going in the house. We want it going to drain. So weather covers are an option. We can customize them by putting your logo right on the front side. So know that this works as an insulator. In the summertime, it's going to keep it a little bit cooler. In the wintertime, it's going to keep it a little bit warmer. So it works fantastic. It's a great way to brand your business inside of a garage or a basement. Now the system's been completely installed. The drain is running super clear. We've checked inside. We've got fantastic water. I recommend that you do a chlorine test. I actually recommend you do a chlorine test before the install and after the install to show the homeowner that they have fantastic water.